Eligible ka ba sa Pag-IBIG MP2 Savings Program? What is Pag-IBIG Fund MP2 Savings Program? The MP2 Savings Program is a voluntary savings program for members who wish to save more and earn higher dividends than the regular Pag-IBIG Savings Program. Who can save under the program? Active Pag-IBIG Fund members, and former Pag-IBIG Fund members with source of monthly income and/or pensioners, regardless of age, with at least an equivalent of 24 monthly savings. Is there a minimum amount to what I can save under the MP2? Yes. The minimum MP2 savings is Fp500. Is there a limit to how much I can save? There is no limit. You can save as much as you want under the MP2 Savings Program. In the event that you wish to save an amount exceeding Fp500,000, you would have to remit the amount via personal or manager's check. How do I save under MP2 Savings Program? You may regularly save a minimum amount of Fp500 in your MP2 savings. You may also opt for a one-time savings. How much dividends will my savings earn? Your MP2 savings shall earn dividends at a higher rate than that of the regular Pag-IBIG Savings Program. The dividends you shall earn are tax-free. Your dividends are derived from no less than 70% of the Pag-IBIG Fund's annual net income. Our 3-year average MP2 dividend rate is at 6.96%. Last year, the MP2 dividend rate was 8.11%, its highest ever. Kindly refer to the table in this brochure for indicative MP2 dividends that your MP2 savings may earn. When can I receive my MP2 dividends? You can choose to receive your MP2 dividends through any of the following options. Upon its 5-year maturity, with your MP2 dividends compounded, or annually, with your MP2 dividends credited to your savings or checking account with Land Bank of the Philippines (LBP), Development Bank of the Philippines (DBP), or other banks that the Pag-IBIG Fund may accredit in the future. For members who opt for annual dividend payout but have no Philippine bank account, especially in the case of overseas members, MP2 dividends shall be released via check payable to the MP2 saver. Tuldok. Can I reapply for a new MP2 savings once my MP2 savings matures? Yes. Once your MP2 savings reaches its 5-year maturity, you may reapply for a new Pag-IBIG MP2 savings account. Members may claim their MP2 savings anytime upon its maturity. If unclaimed, your MP2 savings shall continue to earn dividends based on the regular Pag-IBIG Savings Program's P1 rates for 2 more years. After which, it shall be treated as an accounts payable and shall no longer earn dividends. Am I allowed to have more than one MP2 savings account? Yes. You can open multiple MP2 savings accounts should you desire. Are Pag-IBIG MP2 savings guaranteed? Yes, your MP2 savings are government guaranteed. Where does Pag-IBIG invest my money? The fund invests at least 70% of its investable funds in housing finance, as required by our charter. The fund also utilizes its funds for its short-term loan (STL) programs, and also invests in government securities, time deposits and corporate bonds. Can my MP2 savings be withdrawn prior to its 5-year maturity? The MP2 savings can be withdrawn prior to maturity under any of the following circumstances: total disability or insanity, separation from service by reason of health, death of the member or of any of her immediate family member, retirement, except when the MP2 saver is already a retiree, permanent departure from the country, distressed member due to unemployment limited to layoff and/or closure of company, critical illness of the member or any of his immediate family member, as certified by a licensed physician. Subject to the approval of Pag-IBIG Fund repatriation of an overseas Filipino worker, OFW, member from host country, other meritorious grounds as may be approved by the Pag-IBIG Fund. Am I allowed to pre-terminate and withdraw my MP2 savings prior to its 5-year maturity? How much will I receive? Yes, a member may pre-terminate and withdraw his per MP2 savings. A member who opts for compounding of MP2 dividends and later decides to pre-terminate his per MP2 savings for reasons other than the circumstances stated above, shall only be entitled to 50% of the total dividends earned. A member who opts for annual MP2 dividend payout and later pre-terminates his per MP2 savings for reasons other than those stated above shall only receive his per total savings. How can one enroll in the Pag-IBIG MP2 Savings? Simply submit your duly accomplished MP2 Savings application form at your nearest Pag-IBIG Fund branch, along with the following: valid identification card, passbook or ATM card of your nominated bank account. You may download the MP2 Savings application form via http://www.paibigfund.gov.ph/dalforms.aspx. Tuldo. How do I pay my Pag-IBIG MP2 Savings salary deduction for those employed over the counter in any Pag-IBIG Fund branch nearest you, accredited collection partners? Visit www.paibigfund.gov.ph/payments/paymentfacilities.html to know our growing list of collection partners. See below how your MP2 savings may grow. Maraming binago ang pandemyang ito sa bawat isa, kasama doon ay kung paano natin dapat gastusin at isave ang mga kinita natin. Isa ka rin ba sa mga naghahanap ng paraan upang hindi masayang kundi lumago pa ang mga hard-earned money na mayroon ka ngayon? Isa sa mga savings program na mainit ngayon sa mga Pilipino ay ang voluntary savings program hatid ng Pag-IBIG. Ang Pag-IBIG MP2 Savings Program ay maituturing na passive income dahil hindi magiging stagnant ang pera mo rito kundi kikita pa ito. Pwede ba ako sa Pag-IBIG MP2 Savings Program? Kung active member ka o former member with at least 24 months contribution bago ang iyong retirement, qualified kang mag-open ng MP2 Savings Account. Ginawa ito para sa mga katulad mo na nais pang madagdagan ang kanyang ipon bukod sa regular na Pag-IBIG Savings na hinuhulog. Narito ang ilan sa mga basic information tungkol sa MP2 Savings na makatutulong sa iyo para ma-consider mong mag-invest sa programang ito. Affordable investment mula sa halagang 500 pesos, pwede ka nang mag-invest sa MP2 Savings. Maaari kang magbayad ng monthly contribution mo gamit ang GCash, Paymaya o debit credit card. Wala itong maximum limit pero kinakailangan ng personal, manager's check para sa mga one-time payment na lalagpas sa 500,000 pesos. Government guaranteed savings, siguradong hindi mawawala ang mga investment na ihuhulog mo rito dahil backup ito ng gobyerno. 5-year maturity period. Magmamature ang MP2 savings mo sa loob ng 5 taon kung saan maaari mong i-withdraw ang naipong pera kasama ang interest nito. Maituturing ideal ito para sa mga medium-term investment. Kahit pa ang MP2 savings ay may 5-year maturity, may option ka pa rin na i-withdraw ito anytime. High annual interest rate and tax-free dividends. Maaari kang kumita sa MP2 savings hanggang 8% per year kumpara sa kayang ibigay ng mga savings account na aabot lamang hanggang 1% kada taon. Tax-free mo pa itong matatanggap matapos ang 5 taon o kada taon. Easy account opening. Kailangan mo lang ay fill out ang MP2 savings registration form at automatic kang may enroll dito. May 2 paraan upang makapag-enroll ka sa Pag-IBIG MP2 Savings Program. Ang unang paraan ay ang manual enrollment o in-person, ikaw ay pupunta sa pinakamalapit na Pag-IBIG branch para mag-fill out ng registration form kasabay ang pag-submit nito. Ikalawang paraan ay ang online enrollment kung saan kailangan mong bisitahin ang Pag-IBIG website para sa MP2 enrollment program. Ito ay makikita sa www.pagibigfundservices.com/mp2enrollment, gamit ang iyong Pag-IBIG number, buong pangalan at petsa ng kapanganakan, maaari kang mag-register online. Kasabay nito, ang pagpili mo sa iyong DayZ monthly contribution at mode of payment. Pagkatapos mong makumplito ang MP2 enrollment form, ibibigay nito ang 12-digit MP2 account number mo para makumpira na enroll ka na sa programang ito. Multiple MP2 savings account bukas ang Pag-IBIG kung nais mong magkaroon o mag-open pa ng higit sa isang MP2 account. Epektibo ito kung gusto mong mag-save para sa iba't ibang goals, tulad ng for emergencies, educational fund, retirement at marami pang iba. Ang MP2 Savings Program ay isang magandang paraan upang makamit mo ang mga financial goals sa buhay. Ito rin ay epektibong investment dahil ang iyong hard-earned money ang siyang magtatrabaho para sa iyo.